back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. I just have to put a disclaimer here. In my last video, I completely messed up the challenge. So if you came looking for home decor ideas, I'm very sorry. I will get it in the right playlist when it goes live this week. So if you want to see a bunch of fall decor, come back on Thursday and check out my entryway video, and then you can check out that playlist then. I apologize for anybody I threw off. I don't know how I got confused, but I was confused. Anyway, in today's video, we are going to be decorating this little white like cabinet that I have for fall, and I cannot wait. So if you want to stick around and check it out, then just keep watching. Okay guys, I love how it turned out. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. But I'm gonna run through really fast and tell you where everything is from, just in case you're interested. These are new this year from Hobby Lobby, and the tins are both from Hobby Lobby. And then the wheat is also from Hobby Lobby. This is in their fall decor section, and this is in their florals. So I love to use wheat, and you're gonna see that quite a bit in my home decor this year. This little pumpkin is from Target Dollar Spot last year. This mirror is also from Target, and I love it. I have not used it yet, and I was like, what am I gonna put on here? And this was perfect. So that, and then this is from Kirkland's, and then this pumpkin is also from Target. Whatever I can, I will have linked in the description box below. I know you can still buy this sign and the mirror. This is my favorite thing I have for fall this year, because I do love fall most of all. So anyway, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys next week with more fall decor. Take care.